will study about the structure of ribosome. Ribosome is the smallest cell organelle. It is non-membranous cell organelle. It is found in both prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell. Or one can say that it is the only cell organelle found in both the type of cell, prokaryote as well as eukaryote. Ribosome under electron microscope, first discovered by scientist Faladay, appears like a dense granules. Ribosome is made up of rRNA and proteins. Ribosomes are of two different types on the basis of their sedimentation gradient or their density. Their sizes ranges from 150 angstrom unit to 250 angstrom unit in width and length. With the help of centrifugation machine, when we centrifuge the cytoplasm along with the ribosome in centrifugation tube, it always sediment. The ribosome those seen in eukaryotic cell that always sediment at the ATS marking called as Swedberg's unit. Means their density gradient or sedimentation is of 80. So the ribosome those found in eukaryotic cell are called as ATS type of ribosome. Whereas when we centrifuge the cytoplasm along with the ribosome of prokaryotic cell, it shows its sedimentation at 70 marking. So this ribosome shown in prokaryotic cell are called as 70S type of ribosome. This 70S type of ribosome also seen in plastid as well as mitochondria. In both prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell as well as in mitochondria and chloroplast. Ribosome concerned with the synthesis of protein. So it is also called as protein factories. When we study the structure of ribosome, it is made up of two subunit, small subunit and large subunit. In case of eukaryotic cell, ATS type of ribosome having small subunit having sedimentation gradient 40 Swedberg unit and a large subunit with a sedimentation gradient 60 Swedberg unit. In case of prokaryotic cell, mitochondria, chloroplast, 70s type of ribosome seen having the small subunit with the sedimentation gradient 30 and the large subunit with sedimentation gradient 50. In case of eukaryotic cell, ribosome is always associated with endoplasmic reticulum. On their outer surface and concerned with protein synthesis. Whereas those ribosomes are freely scattered in eukaryotic cell, they are also involved in the synthesis of protein, but that protein is an enzymatic protein. They are not structural protein, they work as enzymes. Those ribosomes independent in the cytoplasm, they synthesize the protein, they are enzymatic in action or we call them catalytic protein or enzymatic protein. In case of prokaryotic cell, ribosomes arrange on the messenger RNA and forms a chain of ribosome on mRNA. They are called as polyribosome or polysomes. It is seen only in prokaryotic cell. What is the function of ribosome? It is concerned with protein synthesis. Chemically, large subunit and small subunit made up of rRNAs and proteins. In ATS type of ribosome, small subunit having chemical composition 18S Swedberg unit of ribosomal RNA and 3 Swedberg units of protein. Large subunit 60S having chemical composition 80S Swedberg units of RNA, 5.8 Swedberg units of RNA, 5S Swedberg units of RNA as well as 50 proteins. In case of 70S type of ribosome, when we study their chemical composition, the small subunit is of 30S type made up of 16S Swedberg units RNA and Largest unit is made up of 23 pseudo units rRNA, 5 pseudo units rRNA, and 34 rRNA. So in this manner, chemically they are made up of different types of rRNAs, ribosomal RNAs, on the basis of their sedimentation gradient as well as the protein. Now we will discuss about the structure of nucleus. Nucleus is the dense bodies appear in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell means the cells of protists, cells of fungi, cells of plants as well as animals. Nucleus is a double membrane bound cell organelle. It has both the membranes, lipoproteins, and nucleus number varies per cell. For example, in case of paramecium like protist, 2 nucleus are present in a single cell, so they are called as dikaryote. In some fungi, more than 1 nucleus present in a single cell and forms a sinusoidal hyphae, for example, rhizopus. In case of some other fungi, 2 nucleus are present like ascomycete, basidiomycetes, so they are called as dikaryote. But in case of higher plants and animal cell, the nucleus is single per cell. In animal cell, the position of nucleus is at the center, and in case of plant cell, the position of nucleus is away from the center eccentrically. Nucleus, when observed under electron microscope, it appears a double membrane bound entities. Nucleus first type observed by Robert Brockman. During non-dividing phase, or we call them interphase of the cell, nucleus become distinct, clearly visible to the microscope. It has outermost a double membrane bound covering called karyotheca, and nucleus itself called as karyon. So study of nucleus called as karyology. Outer membrane is linked with the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum harbors the ribosome on it and concerned with the protein synthesis. Whereas inner membrane of nucleus on their inner surface has a dense network of the protein called as nuclear lamella, on which the chromatin threads are adhered. Nuclear membrane is not a continuous structure. It has a minute holes or the openings in between to exchange the substances with the cytoplasm. That minute holes are called as nucleopores. Nucleopores are guarded by the certain proteins called as nucleoproteins. Those actually regulate the movement of substances between the nucleus and the cytoplasm, or vice versa. Inside the nuclear membrane, the granular substance present in the nucleus are called as nucleoplasm or nucleolimb. Nucleoplasm or nucleolimb is made up of different types of RNA, different types of salts, organic substances. In organic substances, ATP. Along with this, it has a dense network of chromatin material. Those revealed during metaphase as a chromosome on which a DNA or the genetic material is present. Along with this, nucleoplasm has some vacuoles. Their number varies from 1 to 3 as per the ability of the nucleus or the status of the nucleus. More actively involving nucleus has more than 1 vacuoles called as nucleolus. Nucleolus is also called as nucleolar organizer. It is concerned with the synthesis of ribosome, rRNA or ribosomal RNA, as well as this nucleolus is also concerned with the synthesis of different enzymes like DNA polymerase enzyme, RNA polymerase enzyme. Those are necessary for replication of DNA or transcription of different types of ribosomes, RNAs, or we call them ribonucleic acid. When we observe the nucleus during metaphase, it shows their membrane will disappear. In metaphasic stage, the membrane of the nucleus will disappear. Chromatin material undergoes condensation. It becomes thicker, shorter, and clearly visible. It becomes in metaphase. Nuclear membrane disappear and chromatin material reveals themselves into thicker, shorter, and clearly visible structure called as chromosomes. Each chromosome has 2 chromatins, and that 2 chromatins are added together By the help of structure, they are called as centromere. These chromatid fibers are made up of DNA, RNA, histone, non-histone proteins, and this structure revealed of chromatin fiber only during metaphase. In all of the stage of the cell, or life stages of the cell, it becomes a thin, filamentous and invisible. So if you have to study the chromosome, one can study the chromosome only in metaphasic state. They are called as karyotyping of chromosome. Chromosome is made up of two chromatids adhered together by centromere. On the chromosome, DNAs are present or genetic materials are present. They are linearly arranged. And the position where that DNAs are linearly arranged are called as locus, and DNAs are also called as genes lodged on the chromosomes. This chromatic material becomes a chromosome only during metaphasic stage, while in all other life stages of the cell, nucleus containing chromosome with the DNA is thin, invisible and filamentous. Function of nucleus: it controls all the activities of the cell as it has a genetic material. It controls the cell division. It also concerned with the production of DNAs or multiplication of DNA called as replication. Multiplication of RNA are called as transcription. It is also concerned with the synthesis of different types of RNAs called transcription as well as ribosome.